Good morning all, I am Arjun. Registration number is URK22EC4009 and my teammates name are Vishal, Ramajayam and Timothy. The experiment we are going to do right now is LED and dip switch interfacing. First we'll have to open the Keel Microvision software, then go to project, new Microvision project and save the file name as switches 4 LED. After typing the name, save and search for LPC2148 microprocessor. After finding it, select it and give OK. Then give yes and yes again. Then go to target, check for source group and we'll have to add the code file. For that we'll have to create a new file, paste the code over there and add the code file in the source group. After that, we will have to go to the rebuild option. After rebuilding, we'll have to check for the error and again we have to go to target options, go to output, check in the create hex file, then go to linker, then check in the use memory layout from target dialog and give OK. After rebuilding the target, open the FlashMagic and browse for the hex file. Click browse and select the hex file switches 4 LED. Then give open and start the program. The program will be uploading to the microprocessor. After uploading is finished, we'll have to check for the output. The first output of the project is each LED is controlled by the particular switch. We'll be able to see the output in this video. For one particular switch, one LED will be turned on. As we can see, switch 1 is connected with the switch LED 1 and switch 2 is connected with the LED 2. The next code is pasted over here. We'll have to check the code first. After pasting, we'll have to build the target for finding any errors. After that, go to the target options, go to linker, check in use memory layout and go to output, check in create hex file, then give OK. Then again, after rebuilding the target, we'll have to open the FlashMagic, browse for the new hex file and select the switch 4 LEDs again. Now start uploading the program. Once you give start, the program will be uploading to the microprocessor kit. After that, we'll be able to see the output in the kit. For one particular switch, 4 LEDs will be glowing and for another particular switch, another 4 LEDs will be glowing. This is the output of the second module of this experiment. Thank you.